Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 7.2 from Cubes and Cube Roots 8th class NCERT. Question number 1. Find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So here we are going to use the cube root of the given number through cube prime factorization. So therefore, make cube prime factorization for 512. So I am starting with 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 is left. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are. Similarly, 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. Again by 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are. Again by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are. Again by 2. 2 8s are. Again by 2. 2 4s are. Again by 2. 2 2s are. Now 512 is equal to, make it as 3. It means it is a cube prime factorization. So 2 into 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 2. How we are going to represent cube root of 512 is equal to the 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube. So therefore cube root of 2 power 3 into 2 power 3 into 2 power 3, we get 2 into 2 into 2. It means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Therefore, cube root of 512 is equal to the 8. This is the answer for this question. Similarly, this also. See, 13,824. We get 2 6 are 12. 1 is left, 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are. Again by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. And 16 is remaining. 2 8s are. Again 2. It is 17. 2 8s are 16. 12 is remaining. 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. Again by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are. Again by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are. Here again 2 1 6 is by 2 1s are 2. 0 2 8s are. Again by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are. Again by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are. Again by 3. 3 9s are. Again by 3. 3 3s are. So here 1 2 3 and completely 4. Therefore 13,824 cube root of is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube. Therefore, cube root of 13,824 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. It means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Therefore, cube root of 13,824 is equal to the 24. This is the answer for this question. So, this is about this session. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.